How to check iPhone for viruses and malware and remove them 2023. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to check iPhone for viruses and malware and remove them 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So the first thing that we need to do is to head over to our settings first. And then once we're in your settings, just scroll all the way down until you can find the Safari in here. So as you can see here is Safari, so let's click on that. So let's click on Safari, and then from in there just scroll all the way down until we can see the option for clear history and website data. So click on that and click on clear history and data and clear on close tabs right here, and we should be able to clear all of our website data on our iPhone settings. So the next thing we can do is to check the battery usage and see if any apps are using unusual amount of batteries. So to do that, what we need to do is to just head over to our battery right here, and in here you can see our battery health, low power mode, and all of this. You can also see this battery usage by app, so let's click on show activity right here. So as you can see, here are all the apps that are using my screen over the past or the recent days. So if there's an app that is unusually draining my battery, then I can just uninstall it on my phone in order to prevent malwares or any viruses. So the next thing that you can do is to update any app that is an update available. So if you head over to your app store, then you can search for the apps that needs to be updated right here on the apps section. So just look for the apps that need to be updated. As you can see, here's all of mine. I need to update all of this right here in order to process my actual apps, because if you have apps that are not updated, it is more prone to bugs, viruses, and spams. So the next thing that you can do, and it's the final thing, is to see if there's a related malware in the calendar subscriptions. We can remove those in the calendar application. So let's head over to the calendar application, and as you can see, I am my calendar. So what you need to do is to just remove a calendar subscription if you have any. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to check iPhone for viruses and malware and remove them 2023. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.